Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Harmony price prediction and Harmony news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Harmony in 2022. Now in a nutshell I will talk about XRP. The first step is to distinguish between XRP, Ripple, and RippleNet. XRP is a digital currency powered by the RippleNet digital payment platform, which in turn is built on top of the XRP Ledger distributed ledger database. RippleNet is a private project and is managed by Ripple. The XRP ledger is open source and is based not on the blockchain, but on the previously mentioned distributed ledger database. The idea of the Ripple payment platform was first voiced in 2004 by Ryan Fugger, but the full development of Ripple did not begin until after Jed McCaleb and Chris Larsen led the project in 2012. At that time it was still called OpenCoin. The RippleNet ledger is maintained by the global XRP community, of which Ripple is an active member. The XRP ledger processes transactions approximately every 3 to 5 seconds, or whenever independent validating nodes reach a consensus on the order and validity of XRP transactions. This is different from the proof-of-work mining process of Bitcoin, BTC. Absolutely each of you can become a Ripple validator. The XRP coin can be stored in several standard ways. The first way is when stored on the exchange, and the second way is to store XRP in a crypto wallet. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Internet Computer. Internet Computer plans to roll out BTC and ETH integrations by end of Q1. The slated integrations with BTC and ETH would displace the need to use a bridge, which can open the network up to malicious actors. The Internet Computer has released a roadmap for 2022 and beyond, indicating plans to roll out integrations with Bitcoin and Ethereum by the end of the year. The Internet Computer is a public blockchain and protocol that allows developers to install smart contracts and decentralized applications directly on the blockchain. It was incubated and launched in May 2021 after years of development by Dfinity, a nonprofit based in Zurich. The direct Bitcoin integration will be launched as part of Dfinity's Chromium Satoshi release, which is planned for Q1 2022. It will add smart contracts to the Bitcoin blockchain using chain key cryptography, displacing the need to use a bridge, which could open the network up to malicious actors. Dfinity community member Berto Pargapina explained that chain key cryptography is one of the fundamental breakthroughs enabling the Internet Computer to scale to millions of nodes. It is a set of cryptographic protocols that orchestrate the nodes that make up the Internet Computer and the engine that drives it and makes its operation possible. Smart contracts on the Internet Computer will be able to hold, send and receive Bitcoin without the need for private keys, wrote Diego Prats, director of product at Dfinity, in a Saturday roadmap post. Meanwhile, integration with Ethereum is slated for Q3 2022 with the Vanadium Vitalik release. Dfinity is yet to publish any further details about the integration, but Vice President of Communications Michael Less explained to Cointelegraph. So, when you make a transaction on the Internet Computer in Bitcoin, it actually changes the Bitcoin ledger versus what you see today, with a bridge. It's like a wrapped Bitcoin or wrapped Ether. Less explained that Dfinity has chosen to prioritize these integrations to help facilitate its vision for a multi-chain future. He said, if Bitcoin is going to be around forever, how do we actually provide the best user experience is to combine all these networks directly. In December, Dfinity enabled smart contracts, called canisters in its ecosystem, to hold their own balances of ICP tokens. The ICP currently supports 250,000 queries per second, executed with 1 to 2 second transaction finality. ICP on canisters was the important feature that made it viable, and it will probably go crazy once direct integration with BTC and ETH are released. Kyle Peacock, lead software engineer at Dfinity, told Cointelegraph. On Friday, Cointelegraph reported that the Internet Computer blockchain had welcomed its first decentralized exchange, DEX, Sonic, with at least 2 other exchanges in the works. Upcoming Polychain capital-backed DEX Infinity Swap appears to be orienting itself to capitalize with this upcoming integration with Bitcoin. According to Lee, it will allow users to stake their Bitcoin, BTC, as liquidity. Providers. The ICP token rose 56% in the first 5 days of the new year, amid a flurry of optimistic news. However, it was one of the worst performing crypto assets in 2021, dumping 97% from its May all-time high. On Jan. 4, Binance announced it would list a financial instrument that would enable traders to directly swap ICP to and from Ethereum's native token, Ether, ETH. The idea for a perpetual world computer was inspired by Ethereum technologist Dominic Williams, who became a co-founder and the chief scientist at Dfinity. And second news about Ukraine government is using crypto aid to purchase critical supplies. The Ukrainian government is purchasing critical supplies including petrol, food and military equipment using cryptocurrencies donated as the country stands against a Russian invasion. Around $10 million has already been spent. The donations are being distributed from the government's digital wallets, set up by Kyiv-based crypto exchange Kuna, to other digital wallets before being spent, blockchain data show. By Monday morning, around $6.5 million worth of Ether had been moved out of a government wallet to the exchange. We are evacuating people, so we are sending money to buy petrol, to buy food and water for the people who are evacuating. We are sending some money to the local military personnel who can buy some supplies, locally Kuna founder Michael Chebanian told CoinDesk. The government is also buying drones, heat vision goggles and petrol, he said. CoinDesk has been tracking the inflow of more than $16 million of cryptocurrencies into 3 digital wallets associated with Ukraine's defense against the Russian invasion. One wallet, set up by a local non-profit, had raised over $7 million in Bitcoin at publication time. The 2 others, one Bitcoin and another Ether, set up by Kuna on behalf of the Ukrainian government on Friday, had raised more than $8 million in total by Sunday. Chebanian shared a report on his Twitter account on Monday, showing the total crypto support for the government of Ukraine, through a variety of cryptocurrencies and stablecoins, has surpassed $12 million. Elliptic, which helps track transactions on blockchains, said Monday that government and non-governmental organizations had reached $20 million. Ripple is still going through difficult times. Until the litigation with the SEC is completed, the coin rate will jump. Let's take a look at what leading cryptocurrency experts have to say about Ripple's value in 2022 and 2023. Today we will analyze forecasts from leading cryptocurrency experts such as Trading Beasts, Wallet Investor, CryptoGround, Changelly. Long forecast. The forecasts from Trading Beasts analysts are as follows regarding the XRP rate for 2022 are positive. Starting the year at $1.58, the average predicted coin price will rise to $1.62 by December. A sharp increase is not expected, but a steady uptrend is always a positive factor for investors. The next forecast from Wallet Investor regarding the price of Ripple is also encouraging. Experts predict that the price of the coin will be above $1.70 for most of the year. By the end of the year, the XRP rate will cross the $2 mark. The maximum price will not exceed $2.50. At the same time, CryptoGround analysts expect Ripple to rise. Experts predict a bullish trend for 2022. However, there will also be a significant decline. By June, the price will be around $1.28. By the end of 2022, Ripple will reach $1.85. According to the Changelly platform, the Ripple price has strengthened thanks to the support of several large investors, and a number of partnership agreements and various events with crypto companies indicate that many believe in XRP. Recent XRP price predictions and price dynamics could improve significantly towards the end of the year, unlike other major coins such as BTC and ETH. Ripple may even break its previous record of $3.84. Well, the last forecast from Long Forecast, they provided the so-called bullish forecast for Ripple for 2022. Price volatility will be high. The price of the coin will change in the range of $1.53–1.87. Moving on, you can see that although the price of XRP will not reach new highs, the cryptocurrency will not disappear. What awaits Ripple in 2023? In 2023, Trading Beasts analysts expect the price of XRP to decline. Over the course of the year, the average XRP United States dollar exchange rate will drop from $1.62 to $1.58. The maximum price will be slightly above the $2 mark until October. The minimum exchange rate will not fall below $1.34. Wallet Investor is pretty positive about the future of XRP. The average price will be above $2 throughout the year. XRP United States dollar will start the year at $2.23. By the last day of 2023, the price will reach $2.8. The XRP forecast from CryptoGround is still optimistic. Despite a slight decline at the beginning of the year, the cryptocurrency is expected to reach $2.37 by 2024. The penultimate forecast from the Coin Price Forecast platform expects Ripple to start 2023 at $2.